There's an additional part to the try except else structure. It's called finally. It is added to the very end of the structure, and its operations inside its block, let's call them operations star, as you see here, are always executed regardless to the occurrence of an error. That means if there's an error, operation A is executed first, then operation star. If there's no error, operations B, then operations star are executed. Let's test that by adding a finally block to our program. Let's test it and see the result. At the beginning of every step, we see x equals to the value. So x equals to 2, and then x equals to a, and x equals to 0. So in this way, finally has been executed in both cases, with and without errors.